Have you ever wanted to unlock the power of your mind and gain deeper self-awareness? Well, keeping a journal might just be the key to achieving that. Did you know that journaling has been proven to reduce stress and improve mental health? By putting your thoughts and feelings on paper, you create a sense of relief and release. It allows you to express your thoughts and emotions freely, without fear of judgment. Journaling also enhances your problem-solving skills, as it helps you gain clarity and find solutions. By writing down your progress towards your goals and aspirations, you stay accountable and motivated. By doing this, you are more likely to achieve them. Journaling can even improve your creativity and boost your memory. When you write things down, you engage your brain in a different way, solidifying memories. Plus, it's a great way to preserve those memories and reflect on your personal growth over time. But be careful, journaling can have some consequences too. If you don't protect your journal, someone might read your private thoughts and invade your privacy. Storing your journal securely and being mindful of who has access to it is crucial. Another factor is that journaling can sometimes evoke deep, intense emotions. While this can be cathartic, it's essential to ensure you have the necessary support. Also, writing negative thoughts constantly might reinforce negative thinking. It's important to find a balance between acknowledging emotions and cultivating positivity. Remember, journaling should be a personal journey, not a competition with others. Finding the right time and space to journal is crucial for making it a habit. If you're unable to maintain regular entries, you may not fully experience the benefits. You can start by dedicating just a few minutes each day to write down your thoughts and feelings. Don't worry about spelling, grammar, or punctuation. It's about capturing your authentic self. You can write about your dreams, fears, achievements, or even paste pictures and drawings. Get creative. Your journal is a safe space for self-expression and exploration. Try different journaling techniques, like gratitude journaling or stream of consciousness writing. If you're feeling stuck, writing prompts can help you get started and spark your imagination. And don't forget the power of reflection. Regularly reviewing your journal entries can bring valuable insights. Whether in the form of a traditional notebook, regular pen and paper, or a digital platform, journaling is accessible to everyone. In conclusion, journaling can foster gratitude and mindfulness, reminding you to appreciate the little things in life. While journaling can be beneficial, it's crucial to remember that it is not a substitute for professional help. If you are struggling with significant emotional distress, make sure to seek support from a mental health professional. Are you curious to start your own journaling journey and discover the wonders it can bring? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.